Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to find Telegram download file. So, we might have just downloaded a file from Telegram, but we can't find it right now. So what we'll do, let me show you. Head over to your files or My Files on your phone. If you don't have this sort of option or file application in your phone, just download it from the Play Store and then head over to it. There, go to your internal storage. Then here you will find an option of Telegram, or if you can't find it in here, head over to download, and there you might find that specific file you want that you have downloaded from Telegram. And if you can't find it in here, there's another option. You can find it in Android. Head over to the Android option, go to media, and then go to Telegram, org.telegram.messenger, and then head over to Telegram. There you will find your images and videos of Telegram that you have downloaded. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.